Welcome back to Daytime Live. So today is National Runkus Day. So naturally, joining us is one of the most lyrical DJs of today. Welcome back, Runkus.
That's a big compliment. I appreciate
Big up, my general.
Give
and I lied though.
Give thanks.
And
I just
Craig,
stood there on the prompter.
I don't know. I feel like, I mean, that's a very impromptu way of putting it. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that.
We mean every word. Okay. So let's jump into one of the reasons why you're here is to promote your single. Now, your single is called 3310.
Yeah.
And I'm not lie, it's very nostalgic for me because I had a Nokia 3310. I think that's where I started.
Yeah.
What inspired that name?
Chat room and them thing there, right?
You understand me, I said. When we just have to figure out everything at MySpace and thing.
Yeah.
Listen.
So the name, I made that tune like 2 years ago. I made the rhythm 2 years ago and the tune 2 years ago. And then I repurposed the rhythm with my little brother, who actually, he built the beat with me. And this guy called Chopsticks, a really great producer from Nigeria. He made Last Last by Burna Boy.
Okay.
And like a bunch of other things.
Yeah.
Anyway, but made the beat, we voiced the tune, and the tune was really about being indestructible like the phone. But in writing the tune, as being a lyricist, as Craig, I didn't say it, he said it.
He said it. And we concur.
Well, as being a lyricist, as I say, throughout the tune, there's a part where I say, bring, hold up on my celly, if I Kelly or Shelly, but I tell me, but if I hide it, still I say them ready, pan, film me bag on phone, must gotta get the credit.
Hey.
So I say that because this being in a conversation with the Almighty on the phone, metaphorical phone. But, using the word Nokia 3310, same.
Yeah, no, it's a vibe, and it's so, lyricist, like he said, because that's amazing to put those two together.
All right, but before we're gonna furthermore hear the song, so we're gonna take a listen. We're gonna take a listen to the song right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna play.
Respect. Turn it up.
Aye. Hey. All right. So Runkus, here's the thing now. I hear the song made me get tin, right? I'm thinking of the video and the visuals and like, what does that look like? What can fans expect from the video? Do we have a dance? We have something?
In the man tell you say, do a video.
I'm do a video, Muffy.
Oh, I shot it yesterday. It done already.
Okay, what do we expect? See, I told you, I felt it in my spirit.
A conversation with the Almighty.
Oh,
Put it that way there.
He's like, no dancing, stop that.
Yeah. No, that maybe, who knows? Maybe you have a dance routine fit, And you know what the thing is? I'm glad that you said that, and I like to watch people's reaction. Craig, it is a more cerebral reaction. He's listening, I can tell. You're dancing, you're enjoying the beat.
That's my,
The reason why I say this is because I made it for both of those reasons. For you to think about it and also enjoy it. Like, you don't have to even think about it.
Yeah.
You're not even have to listening to it. Once you hear it, you have to move.
You have a reaction to it. Whatever
So
that is.
That's why I would say the video encapsulates that energy too.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna shoot some rapid questions at you, right?
All right.
So first one, if you weren't doing music, what would you be doing?
Forensic science.
Pardon?
Forensic science.
Are you serious?
Rapid.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, rap. Okay, one word that your friends would use to describe you. What is it? One word.
Random and insane.
Random. I like that. Okay.
Meaning, if this can, it's rapid. Go ahead.
Favorite Jamaican dish that you can't live without?
Channel.
It's rapid.
It's hard. I'm sorry.
Rapid.
Jackfruit. Sure.
Jackfruit. Okay.
I really like that. Yeah.
So craziest thing that ever happened to you on stage? On stage.
My mom crying side stage. I nearly bought her.
Nearly? That's good.
Yeah,
you
nearly.
Well, like a J.
Yeah, I had to. I mean,
like, mommy, I'm performing.
First show with her ever out of Jamaica in Europe.
Yeah.
She was there, side stage.
The last song you played on repeat that wasn't your song?
Rockman by McGee. He's a guitarist, wicked guitarist.
Oh, wow. We'll look that up.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Aye, that was quick. I thought you'd have a minute.
I think cats are You see me?
I know what you're gonna say. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
One artist that you'd have loved to jam with, and in the
John Mayer. Next.
Shame.
That was right.
Okay, on it. Okay, what's one item that you can't live without?
My chain. I was blessed by the Ethiopian Orthodox priest.
Because I was gonna ask for context. I was like, your chain.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I have one more question.
Go, shoot. It's rapid.
When did you feel like music? Because you had said earlier about forensic science.
Mm-hmm.
That's a choice.
It's not such a rapid answer though. I was not such a rapid answer. I went to college, got a scholarship to go to University of Tampa. I looked around and I told my dad, say, I don't want to do this. And him say, what you want to do? I said, music. And him say, all right. And then music became my university.
Wow.
Randy Valentine or Kabaka Pyramid?
Ah, that one is difficult. You can't do that because the two of them are my bridge. Pass.
You have to choose.
What's a
Pass.
You have to choose. Runkus,
No.
they're watching.
Kabaka only because it's a campaign night. Only because I'm going to be biased.
I like
I'm going to be
that.
biased.
I like that.
But Randy, I'm a bridging, so big up Randy.
So you're
know
all
some-
campionized here.
You know some pre campaign album?
We should.
Let's do it.
That'd be a
We
good
should.
idea.
Have the photo album, we just need the music album now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Runkus, how can we find you on social media? Where
At
can people go?
RUNKUSINNO, that's Runkus, at RUNKUSINNO. And otherwise, you can type in Runkus on any platform and we're good.
And
Still
your
going.
song now, 3310, Nokia 3310. Oh, it's just
Yeah.
3310.
Yeah.
It's available now, streaming on all
No, it
platforms.
comes out May 28th. You guys got the TV
God, the
exclusive.
preview.
Yeah, come on,
Exclusive
man.
on Daytime
Come
Live.
on, man.
Love
Come
that
on.
for
I had
us.
to do it the
All
right way.
So Runkus is staying with us for a game that we call Quick Fix. Yeah? On that note, Daytime Live will be right back with a music video. We're so forward.
Yeah.
Already me, I'll tell you again. Runkus, many of my